Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a showdown in the world of AI. Non-XAI versus XAI. That's right. We're pitting the mysterious, no-explanation approach against the clear, explainable one. What's the difference? How does it affect you? By the end of this video, you'll see why one leaves you scratching your head and the other puts you in the driver's seat. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the non-XAI approach. Picture this. You're using an AI app. Maybe it's picking a movie for you or deciding if you get a loan. It spits out an answer like, nope, no loan, and that's it. No explanation, no hints, just a big fat mystery. You're left puzzled, staring at the screen, thinking, why? What just happened? That's the non-XAI way. The algorithm's doing its thing, but you're totally in the dark. And here's the problem with that. Trust, or really, the lack of it. With non-XAI, you don't trust the algorithm because you've got no clue how it got to that answer. Is it right? Is it wrong? Who knows? Maybe it's spot on, or maybe it's wildly off base, but without any insight, you're stuck guessing. Worse yet, you've got zero control. You can't tweak it, fix it, or even ask it, hey, what's the deal? It's like a stubborn stranger making decisions for you. Now, let's flip the script and check out the XAI Approach, Explainable AI. This is where things get awesome. Imagine that same loan app, but this time it says no loan because your credit score dipped last month. Here's why. Suddenly, you're not puzzled. You get it. XAI gives you the how and the why behind the result. It's like the AI is handing you a roadmap of its thinking step by step. And that's where the magic happens. Trust. With XAI, you trust the algorithm because you can see how it worked things out. You know if the answer is correct, like, oh yeah, my credit did take a hit, or if something's off, like, wait, that data's wrong. Even better, you're not just a bystander anymore. XAI often comes with an interactive explanation interface, fancy words for a way to dig in, ask questions, and even steer the process. You're in control, not just along for the ride. Let's paint a quick picture to really hammer this home. Say you're using an AI to diagnose a health issue. In the non-XAI world, it says, you've got a problem, and leaves you hanging. You're confused, you don't trust it, and you've got no idea what to do next. But with XAI, it says, here's the problem, and I found it by checking your symptoms against tons of cases. Look here. You trust it, you understand it, and you can tweak the inputs if something's off. Night and day difference, right? So what's the big takeaway? Non-XAI is like a locked box. You can't see inside, you don't trust it, and you're powerless to change it. XAI is the opposite. It's an open book, building trust and handing you the reins. In a world where AI is popping up everywhere, from your phone to your doctor's office, that difference matters. XAI isn't just about explaining AI. It's about empowering us to use it smarter. That's it for today's face-off between non-XAI and XAI. Which side are you on? Team Mystery or Team Clarity? We've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.